to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Let's get straight into our hot topics.
So we're starting it out with our first one with Kim, Ray J, Kanye, and Pissy Pete. And we'll put the clip in right here, but allegedly what happened was Ray J released the second part of the tape. It's an audio recording of way back in the day when Kim was angry when he went out with Whitney Houston and calling her a crackhead and basically just saying how could he do this to her.
Ray, it's Kim. I just want you to know that I think you are so disgusting and desperate. Who leaves their email address on their machine? You clearly want people to call you, but yet you won't call me back. And actually, you know what? Don't call me back. Don't ever call me back. I never want to talk to you ever again. I think you're honestly a sick human being, and I think you are just so desperate that you'll do anything for attention, and you're just so disgusting. Honestly, so, have fun with old hag Whitney Houston. She's so sick, and, crack is definitely not whack with you guys, because you are just, honestly, makes me laugh on how disgusting you guys look. You're in Vegas with Whitney, and you need to go hang out with your old, friend, and it's not right, but it's okay. I'm definitely going to make it anyway, because you guys are just disgusting and sick, and stop you're with her. I don't understand it. She's so old and sick, and you are just sick and desperate, so leave me the alone and stop calling me!
And Kanye teamed up with it to make Kim look like she's just out of her mind. And Kim said that she was messing around with Pete, and then Pete somehow came in and involved himself in the conversation and just went off on Kim saying, keep my effing name out your mouth. And we don't know where he came from, but what are your thoughts on this, IK?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
We're first going to start this off with Pete Davis. Now, Kim pulled a reverse effect of saying the guy stole the girl from home. No, this time, Kim stole Pete from his mother's basement.
Exactly.
And we don't know why you're mad, because in all reality, you should be thanking Kim. Because right now, we don't know what's going on in that twisted head of yours, but you sound ungrateful to me, Pete.
Exactly, because now you have a water commercial. You have enough money now that you could quit SNL. We just don't know. You bought a ferry boat, so right now IK and I have no words for you, Pete. But on to our next one, Ray J. Ray J should have signed a better deal back when they offered him the paperwork and the money back then, but now he's mad about it when that's his own fault.
Ray J's not going to get a dime.
Exactly.
Let's move on to Kanye West.
And as for Kanye, whatever pills or medication that you are or not taking, we have no words. Or whatever weed that you've been smoking, Kim will not be coming back to you in this lifetime. Maybe in another lifetime or in another imaginary world. But when Kim finally finds a real man, because Pete was just... we don't know what Pete's doing right now, but when Kim finally finds a real man, then you're really going to be mad, and you're really going to be on the front porch and throwing rocks. But those kids are going to be throwing rocks at you, especially that little one that looks terrifying. You can probably take that one, but...
And the real man is me, Kim. Next time we're in Beverly Hills, we'll have to take you out to lunch, brunch, and or dinner.
That's right, and that actually leads us into our next hot topic. We're going to go ahead and deem Kim Kardashian West the She's Hot contest winner of this week. She's already won it 3 or 4 times, and Kim, you're going to win it again, because IK and I are on your side the full way. These people, they're trying to throw you down, but we will still be here for you, Kim. You're a mogo. You're up $2.5 billion, and maybe that's why Kanye is mad. He messed it up with Gap and Adidas, but that's his fault.
Everyone's sipping on the haterade, just being mad.
Haterade, hey Gatorade, look at these seats that Gatorade.
And
Exactly.
Kim, we'd love to work for you for free.
That's right.
Not because we're in it for the money, but because we're there to help out winners, just like you, Miss Kim.
That's right.
Congratulations on your win. Let's get into our next hot topic with Jamie Foxx.
That's right. So Jamie Foxx is butthurt about how he wasn't invited to Cardi B's birthday party.
Jamie Foxx, you came to the party inappropriately dressed.
Exactly.
What are you, 5 years old? Is this your sweet 16? Nobody says they're going to a birthday party anymore. That sounds immature. And
Exactly.
obviously I had my birthday party, I'm turning 16 years old, but it wasn't like this one. Because Jamie Foxx, who comes in with white Vans? You should have got your whole act changed, your whole
Attitude, everything, your wardrobe, standing outside the door, just waiting for a cupcake, waiting for them to tell you, do you have your invitation slip? This just doesn't make any sense. Everyone at the party, they weren't dressed well. But if you dressed worse than that, Jamie, you should have stayed home. You should have watched it from the internet and said farewell, happy birthday, Cardi, whatever you wanted to do.
Because Jamie, you don't look like someone with substance, like Robert Redford or Tom Cruise.
No pun intended.
You don't look like those superstars.
Richard Gere,
When you got to the party, you looked like nothing but a dude. Someone just walking up on the scene. Jamie
Exactly.
Foxx, get your act fixed. Let's get into our next hot topic. Thumbs down.
thumbs down. For our next and final hot topic, Kayne and I just left the theater. You know that we go to the theater every single day, but this time we watched Halloween Ends. This is the early preview access because it's the 13th and it comes out on the 31st of Halloween.
Or the 14th, actually.
The 14th, but Kayne and I went and watched it and it was fantastic. It was a thumbs up. You guys should definitely watch it.
It was. It was way better than the last one, but it's still not beating the originals and the first reboot.
That's right.
But these were all of our hot topics. We have things to do and places to be, and we have the Personals XYZ, which
right.
Dr. Ross and I are wrapping up on, and we're getting ready to shoot the final few scenes. So if
right.
you want to stay tuned and to get all of the new updates and posts, make sure to follow our Instagram, which is in the link in the description below, as well as our official YouTube account.
That's right. And then we'd also like to give
a mention to our dear friends and their establishments.
That's right.
One is Mecca Matcha. The next is Anvil Tattoo. Ask for Mr. Whalen. Then we want to mention Cat Tattoo off Beltline. That you want to ask for Miss Sherry. She'll get you the right piercings.
That's
and
right.
then we'd
And
like to mention Yank Apparel.
that's right.
Make sure to visit these guys. All of their descriptions are going to be on the screen right here and in the link in the description below. We'll see you guys on the next episode. We're out.